as kids, always near. Their smiles are warm, their hugs are tight. They make us feel happy, morning till night. Grandma's cookies fresh from the oven, Grandpa's stories full of adventure. They teach us and guide us with patience and care, helping us grow with love they share. Their house is cozy with memories galore, photos and treasures we love to explore. Grandma and Grandpa, treasure so rare. We're lucky to have them, showing us they care. So let's give a cheer for Grandma and Grandpa too. We love them so